gray glam and the black. They slid the pan trip forward 18 inches on the rail. They say that's going to give those guys about 15 more speeds and stuff like that. Meadows told out of Hamilton, Ohio. Boom! Big time. That lit the whole front end up in there. Scott Webb and Raging Red. There he is, right down there around that 300-foot mark. Scott Webb and Raging Red. Bring the RPMs up on the John Deere, Adam Beal and oh, that was ragged right from the start. That's all for the Strictly Business. And John told me another one of our pullers, I mean, he's consistent being here all the time. Dirty Deeds, Joe Moore out of 30. Runs out, getting there fast and running out of stuff in a hurry. 5 classes. We got diesel trucks. We got the altered farm stalk classes. We got 6,000-pound naturally aspirated super stalkers and gas former pullers. We got 5, 6 classes. Tom Shaver and the boss out of Glenford, Ohio. Got a win. 4 top 5s and 7 top 10s. And 5 out of the top 10.
I know. $318 feet, 2,900, your new leader. Just tracked 10 feet on Scott Webb. 318.29. second ride. Yes, the soy biodiesel light pro stocks. Jared Newsbaum out of Burn, Indiana, the 7030 Alice. $293.03, 293 feet, 300s. 293.03. Cook Zimmer out next. Kirk Zimmer Mad Max runs out of stuff down there.
You got 2 6, 2 7s, and a 9th. He's got 4 out of the top 10.
For the Mule Deer, out of Whipple High, Adam B on 4320, John Deere.
Something not right. That don't sound good at all.
And that'll be all for the IH Crazy.
Producer Mike Palmer, Roger Early, Greg Lamb, then we're done.
And that'll be all. Stocked him to the left side.
Oh.
Good run. Jeff Boosner out of Milroy, Indiana.
Buckshot binder. That was a nice looking 1206 also.
Mike Palmer, RPM's up. Black smoke of summer. Holy cow!
Strictly Business Tractors, Kyle Woodruff was driving it. The smoke is white and gray when the water comes in. Now it's going black like early.
And there we are, ladies and gentlemen. We got another one right down there in that 310-foot range or more.
Take it. Last hook in the class, the Black Viper out of Madison, Indiana, Mr. Greg Lamb.
Thomas Schaefer, the boss, you need to be making your way to town.